So we are actually delighted to be part of this institute as a given an opportunity to contribute to people for such an important subject, which is rather a big subject for education as well as for the contribution to society also. The institute has made a very good endeavor, and the program is being conducted by institute in collaboration with G5 HR Management Private Limited, and we are really thankful to the organization for this collaboration. And the endeavor is actually to educate the people, basically the females, our respected females, and how they are respected by the employees in the organization, by the employer, and how a safe working place is created by an employer. That is the endeavor. And our focus is on what are the preventive measures for such a subject so that any incident is not happening in the future. And to aware the all masses so that they are acting in conformity with the provisions of the law, as well as our endeavor is that how the employer and employee relationship is maintained in a cordial and harmonious way. Again, we are delighted to see the participants here, that around 80% participants are female, and they are coming forward actually to learn this subject and to keep themselves in a safe zone. So we wish all the best to all participants and to the institution, and our endeavor will be in future also and we are providing an opportunity to contribute in that. Thank you very much.